Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix age restriction on Pinterest. Open up Pinterest. Sign in to your account. As you can see, it says your account has been deactivated. It has been deactivated because of age restrictions. After that, go to your Gmail account. Here you can see the mail you received from Pinterest about your account deactivation. The mail you received describes the reason for deactivation, which is your age. Now click on Start Appeal. You have to provide a government ID or a birth certificate to verify your age, or you can simply go to Pinterest and start a new ID with a new email. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.